guys, it's me. I'm making a video of me testing my home smoke alarms, and they're all hardwired and interlocked together, so that will be very loud. Anyway, I'm gonna test this one in my room. Hope it still works. There we go. This one, test the one in the master bedroom. This one's really high up. Then we'll go into the other. Let's turn that right off. I can't see anything. Now we'll climb up. This one that's really annoying because I'm in the foyer and it echoes. So remember to keep your volume down. Anyway, guys, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel of the smoke alarms. I'm gonna wrap this vlog up now, and I hope you like it.